everyone, this is Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. So this time I'm unboxing a bag from Gucci, and this bag is a random buy, like random. It is so new. So I bought this bag on 3rd, and it is officially launched on 5th of June, and I bought it on 3rd of June. I casually walked into the Gucci store, and my personal CA, she bought this bag to me, and then at the first sight I was like, oh my god, this bag is too big and this and that, and I just left it at the store and I came back home. And when I'm back home, all of a sudden this bag started growing on me. So I called her immediately and I asked her, okay, I'm buying it, just send it across to my place. And then she sent it across to my place, and the bill, the invoice of this bag they have given on 5th of June. That was yesterday. Today is 6th of June where I'm doing the unboxing. So today I could pull out some time for unboxing. So today is 6th of June, you guys. I bought it on 3rd and they sent me the invoice on 5th, because on 5th only this bag is officially launched. And today morning Gucci has also posted picture of this bag with their model, a picture and the video. So okay, let's not waste any further time and let's go and do the unboxing. This bag has come in this humongous packet. Oh my god. So it has been lying down and from last 4 days. So today I'm just doing the unboxing. Ta-da! So I bought this bag 2 days prior to the official launch. So that's why they have not given me the bill on the same day, because they can't punch the bill, because the official launch date was 5th and I bought it on 3rd. So let's go and unbox. So this bag comes in this huge Gucci box. Oh my god, I love Gucci boxes. Ta-da! So here we go. So do let me know in the comments, you guys, what do you guys think about this new Gucci bag. Let me tear it. Okay, the bag is in this cloth bag. So let me put the box. So they have given a box and paper packing with the bag. Okay, and ta-da! So the bag is in this cloth bag. So this cloth bag comes with every Gucci bag to protect their bag. Yeah, I'm excited. So this is the new Giglio tote from Gucci. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. Almost I'm there, because it is an Italian name. So you guys, this is the Giglio tote. Giglio means lilies in Italian. So this comes in 2 different canvases. I mean, one the regular Gucci canvas and the other is the denim one. So why I chose denim one? Because the regular Gucci canvas, I have so many bag in that beige and this combinations. For denim is so new to me, so I thought let's go for the denim one this time. So I'll show you quickly. So it is a big bag, you guys. You can use this bag as your work bag. You can use this as your beach bag. You can use this as your shopper tote, everything, whatever you feel like. So it comes with one, it is not detachable, one pouch. In the beige one also you'll get the same pouch. Okay, inside you can keep your cash and some makeup, some valuable if needed, and voila. And inside it's white linen. In the beige one, it is green color, but in the denim one it's white. Oh my god, you guys, how I'm loving this bag. It is giving me that 2005 era. I remember in 2006 I used to carry this big bags with me. So it is so comfortable. When you carry it like this, or you can carry it handheld. Anyways, this bag looks amazing, you guys, and the bag is so lightweight. And the best part is they have given this ring on the side, and if you want to hang your labubus, you can do that too, although I'm not a fan for labubus yet. So you can hang your back charms or labubus, whatever you want. So Wow. Oh, that was there. So magnetic closure and the GG logo, and how I'm loving this denim combination. I was thinking to buy denim bag from Louis Vuitton, but meanwhile I saw this denim one and I am in absolutely love with this bag. So what fits in is not necessary for this bag, it seems, because it will fit a lot. So yeah, so that was the quick unboxing, you guys. Do let me know if you guys have any questions for me, and thank you so much for watching. Drop a heart. I'll show you guys one more time the bag from close, and go watch in my shorts. I have posted the other beige combination also, and I'll also post the comparison video where you can see this denim and the beige one parallelly. So go watch those comparison videos in my shorts if needed. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. I'm a big shopaholic, and lots of unboxing and latest bag videos gonna come in my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good one. Bye.